Hi everybody, it's Nikki Chanel here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing St. Patrick's Day makeup tutorial. Now there's going to be a lot of greens and gold in this overall look and I want to try to do a little bit more holiday themes, so that's why we're going with this. Plus, green is not really my forte color and I'm really bad at kind of like really popping color. I love pinks, as from my makeup tutorial right there. However, I want to do some variations on this. So today's look is going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. It is a very old palette that I have, but it's still very cute and it has all of the colors, including lots of greens. I'm also going to be using Anastasia today because of this beautiful gold color and a lot of Urban Decay old gold stuff. I think I need to get some new stuff because some of the stuff is very old, but as always, please like and subscribe, put those comments in the comments section. Remember to share this video if you like this video, it helps me grow. And let's get into our makeup tutorial. Now to start, I already did my foundation and my concealer just to kind of save time on videos because my makeup tutorial videos are very long sometimes, so I wanted to cut down on it. If you want to see my makeup or my contouring, check this video out right there. That is my contour tutorial and that is what I just did. Okay, now let's get started on the simple thing that I always love to get started after I do all of the creams, is eyebrows. This is MAC Spiked Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. You've seen me do these in a couple of videos, so I'm gonna kind of skip forward on this process a little bit. Okay then, so just follow the eyebrow outline and then shade right there. Then I'm also going to skip through all of these makeup processes just to make this go faster, okay? Okay then, so that is that. Then we take this and fade that part. Actually, a sunny day for once in Idaho. I'm super excited. Okay, now we're gonna get into the real meat of this look, which is going to be the eyeshadow colors. Because this is, to me, where like a lot of the green comes from. Now, to get started, we are going to use darker colors for the outer. So we're gonna take this nice hunter green color right here. And then we're gonna combine it with probably this one right here. And then I think we're gonna pop it with probably, I think I may use one of my golder colors. I think I may use this gold color from MAC Cosmetics. This one right here. This is Sweet Heat by MAC Cosmetics. Or we're gonna do these three tops. I think we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3. Maybe use that little like teal green up there. Okay, so we're gonna take our flat brush. This is just an Urban Decay brush. And we're gonna take this corner right here. Gonna pat it on the sides. Get a little bit of that green going on there. So we have that green right there. And again, this is basically a test process to see how this works, okay? And we're gonna put this in the corner of the eye. We're gonna try to make this kind of go a little bit more out, because this one I want like lots of green. Lots of green colors. My stupid hooded eyes make this very hard to do sometimes, because I have extremely hooded eyes, being born male. Men generally have a little bit more hooded eyes. And we're gonna make this all cutesy and shit. This is just for the beginning parts. And then we're gonna tap a little bit, tap, 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 tap. Kind of get some evenness on the color. Have a stupid piece of sleep right there that we're gonna pull out. And I think that's pretty good for one side. Now, I don't want this to be like super overkill look. We're gonna add in a lot of other green, but this is just for the basic outsider. So now we're gonna take that same thing, we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye, try to get it even with the end of the eyebrow. See how it's even? We're gonna try to keep it even about right there. You can really see my green nails right there. Isn't that cute? Okay, I'm already kind of liking this vibe actually. This is like a really cute vibe. I think we do need to extend this one out just a little bit. Problem is making it even. That's kind of the hard part. But I think that's pretty good for an outer base color. Okay, I think that's pretty good for an outer side color. Now we're gonna take the other side of the brush that we did not use, and we're gonna use this softer green color right there. It's a little bit more brighter green. We're gonna put that on the inner eye. This one, I'm gonna take it from the corner of the eye and we're gonna go out. We're gonna try to create like a nice little line right here. It's okay if we go a little bit outside the eye by accident, because we really want the eyes to look gold right now. Green and gold, that's the colors. So actually that color's in my old high school too, which is cool. Okay, I like that, that came out well. So we'll do it on the other side too. Okay, I already like this look. So that's that right there. So I think the eyeshadow part is done because I don't want to get it a little bit too overkill. Instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start blending out and blend the two colors with one of these other green colors. And I think we're gonna do this mid-tier color. So we're gonna take our cosmetic brush. Very pigmented palette. I love this palette. It's one of my favorites. And we're gonna blend along the crease line of the eye and going out a little bit above the eye just to kind of get more into the brow range. Okay, I kind of like that right there. And we'll clean it up with highlighter and all that other stuff. And then we're gonna take the same thing and do the same thing on the other side. Make little circles, because then it allows you to blend it really well. Okay, that's kind of giving me the desired effect I was looking for, because we're all about glamour. Okay, now we're gonna take our Sweet Heat color, this beautiful golden color right there, and we're gonna do the under eye. I wanna do the under eye with gold. So we're gonna take this side of the brush, try to get in there. Now this is where you have to have kind of a steady hand because we're gonna go underneath the eye. Just gonna kind of clean it up just a little bit more. We're gonna kind of underline that color with that. So you get like a nice little specks of gold in the corners. We're gonna do the same with the other side. Okay, so that is going to be our eyeshadow makeup. Now we're gonna do a little bit of this beautiful Gold Skull by Kat Von D Cosmetics. Very bright highlighter that you love to use. And we're gonna put this right underneath the brow line, just to give it that little brightness color. It's a beautiful highlighter, it's very, very, very pigmented. We're also gonna do this on the nose, because we're hella extra on the nose. It's kind of getting like drag queen makeup right there. And this is where you blend it out to make it look even. Take our big brush with our beautiful pressed powder, and we're gonna blend it. There you go, there's the eye makeup. I wanted to go like way overblown, and I'm gonna sparkle it up a little bit later. But right now, I think that's pretty good. So we have blended the eye makeup. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our beautiful Urban Decay glitter that I absolutely love, and we are basically going to plop this all over the eye just to make it look like little shimmers of gold in there. So that'll show up really good in photos. See how that looks? Ooh, very gold, I love it. This is just a little pops of color that I love. I'm just gonna put it above the eye because I really want this to like show up. I'm gonna do a little bit underneath where I did that gold color. And just make it sparkly all around. Cute, cute. Love it. And we're also gonna do the same with the other side, okay? Okay, I like that. Very sparkly, very cute. Perfect. Now we're gonna move on to our other parts. So now we're gonna move on to our bronzer and highlighter. I wanted to get the eyes done first because that was gonna be the hardest part. So bronzer, just basic MAC bronzer with a brush. I like to do the contouring vibe, so I do a line up here, curved, do some right there, some right there. I like to go lighter color bronzer, so I don't want to take away from anything. That's kind of the idea. That right there. Cool, cool. And we'll also do the highlighter now. So we're going to take our Anastasia Beverly Hills Starlight. Absolutely love this color, super cute. This we're going to put in all of the areas. And of course, we'll blend this all in so it looks even. I like to do a little bit of neck contouring while I'm doing this. Cool, cool. Now we're going to blend it with our Prep and Prime blender. Blend, blend, blend. And skip this part. Now I'm starting to feel the Nikki Chanel vibes. Now, I'm going to do something different here as opposed to most of my normal makeup. I'm going to use like a combination of colors because I really want to add in like that gold look that I'm going for with this. So we are going to use MAC Hyper Real Glow, and this thing is going to look super cute. We're going to take this beautiful bronze color right here, take the end of our brush, and we're going to dab that right on the cheekbone. Dab it right on the other side of the cheekbone, and we're also going to dab it up top, just to give it that bronzing color up top. And then obviously blend that in because you do not want that to be super overkill. Cool, cool. Now we're also going to take the same gold color that we used for our glitter, and we are just going to give our face some like glitter and definition right now. So I'm mostly going to be using it in the area that I just contoured. Just gonna give it that little sparkly vibe. The idea is like, it's like pot of gold with like a 4-leaf clover on top. That was kind of the idea that I'm going for. Let's see if we're getting some sparkles. Oh yeah, we're getting some sparkles. We're getting some sparkles. Let's do the same thing, get a little bit more sparkles. Really trying to like accentuate like sparkly right now. I'm also gonna do a little bit on the top of the forehead so that when I do my hair and everything like that, it looks super cute. I'm also gonna put a little bit into the eyebrows too. Give it some vibes. Ooh, that's a cute Instagram shot right there. That's a cute Instagram shot right there. Okay, we may gold it up a little bit more, but for right now, I wanna continue with this, and we are gonna do the lips next. Lips, you've seen me do this in basically every other YouTube video. Whirl MAC lip liner, but I'm going to use Anastasia Gilded Lip Gloss, because we're gilded bitches. Nice dark lower lip, it's gonna be cute. Facial hair. I hate that I can see it through this makeup right now. But that looks cute right there. So now we are going to do Anastasia Beverly Hills Gilded. Let's do this. This is gonna be cute. Smack those lips, honey. Cute. I like it. It actually looks really cute. I like that. Then we're gonna do the mascara. NYX On The Rise mascara, very basic, super cheap, but very cute. I should probably replace it soon too. I'm feeling it, it's cute. It's gonna look really good with my green outfit that I'm gonna wear in a little bit. cute. I like it. Let's do a little bit and then more in the corner. Okay, I think I like it. Now we're gonna do one last thing by adding in a little bit more gold from dipping in bronze. That one right there. Just add in a little bit more pops of gold. And that's the thing. And now for the finished look. Okay, here is the St. Patrick's Day 2024 look. Like honestly, the outfit I'm wearing right now and kind of like the vibe that I have right now, this totally looks like you could go out with like a boyfriend or like a girlfriend and like totally have like a pint of Guinness basically. Now, I actually enjoyed this look. It's a different kind of combination of colors than I normally do. The green eyeshadow like really stands out in the eyes. The kind of like gold, kind of like nude lip, kind of has like a cute, like, sexy vibe. Like I really like it. I actually enjoy it. The green flannel is cute. Only thing that probably would have paired better with it would have been a little bit more green up on the eyeshadow, like a little bit darker colors. That's really my only complaint with my look right now. But I like it. Now, as always, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more makeup content. And this has been Nikki Chanel, and have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day.